TRESemmé 700 ml Conditioner Biotin Plus Repair 7. This bottle contains 700 ml of TRESemmé Conditioner Biotin and Repair 7. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. TRESemmé Biotin Plus Repair 7 Conditioner helps to visibly repair 7 types of damage in just one use. Formulated with Biotin Pro-Bond Complex, it penetrates inside the hair to restore broken bonds caused by hair damage, whether you blow dry, bleach, brush, straighten, color, braid or curl. Biotin Plus Repair 7 strengthens each strand of hair, inside out. Use Biotin Plus Repair 7 shampoo to gently cleanse, visibly repair your hair in just one use. Follow with Biotin Plus Repair 7 Condition to strengthen your hair against breakage to maximize results for healthy-looking, moisturized hair. Pro performance in your hands every day. Legal disclaimer. Statements regarding dietary supplements have not been evaluated by the FDA and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or health condition. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite conditioner. I could not find this in my local stores and loved it so much I bought it online. Leaves your hair silky smooth, especially after continuous use.